naye kitujja enviiri ku mutwe ng'ababaka abakulembeddwa ne batwalibwaho ne Bosise Namujju balinnya lweggulo lwaleero okugenda e Dar es Salaam Tanzania. Ate era mu ngeri y'emu ababaka 30 ab'e Dar es Salaam, ate abalala bali Nairobi teebereza nti babakwese babajjewo wano beewambye. Ababaka kino sikirabanga, ababaka beewambye. Bw'oba tolaba mubaka wo ayinza okuba nga y'omu ku abo abeewambye, babeereko eyo basigale ku intaneti nga bamuga. Naye ng'ekibatwazizza nti baleme kubeera wano kubanga bajja kukwatibwa ekinyegenyege basayininge recall, basayininge okujja ababaka okubajjamu obwesige ba commissioners baffe abana, Honorable Mathias Mpuuga, Honorable Afoyochan, Honorable Akampulira ne Honorable Sirwanyi. Bekwesi babakukusizza oba okiyita human trafficking oba members of parliament trafficking oba okiyisa otya sikitegeera, oba intellectual trafficking, be banatubuulira nga bakomyewo. Naye tubasaba mukomewo, muveeyo mu buwaŋŋanguse gye muli. Ate tebinyuma ng'oli wala. Mwe mutugamba buli kimu nti omubaka wa Parliament yagala abe nga yakulembera, munonde ekulembere. Ate bwe kituuse wano nti ati mundeke nga bwe mulaba wano abagezigezi, nze nja kujja nga nsembayo. Bye bigenda mu maaso. Naye njagala okubeebaza mmwe abatwadde emikono, muli ku ludda olutuufu olw'ebyafaayo. Naye nsaba mukkirize nokoleyo obuntu nga bubiri bwokka. Mu musango guno omuloope, abantu abandibadde beesulubabba bandibadde abatakwatibwako ensonga, naye ate abo bennyini abatambulirwako ensonga nga ba MP abakiikirira abakozi, where are you? Abakozi basaana okuluma ensimbi zaabwe kubanga zo si nsimbi za Parliament, kubanga Parliament terina ssente zaayo, ezo ssente z'omuwi w'omusolo. Naye abakozi bonna bakoze olukwe, beekweke wansi w'emmeeza. Abakulira abakozi muli ludda wa? Abakulira abakadde abandirowoozebbwako nti ensi eno mwagiraba alaba dda, muli ku mulyango mufuluma ensi, ebinene n'ebitono mubirabye, obutabanguko n'obulyake n'obubbi mubirabye. Muli ludda wa? Bakinvinvi muli ludda wa? Ng'ate mujja ne musasulano mu Parliament, bali mu kamooli balengera. Muli ludda wa? Abantu abakiikirira, ababaka abakiikirira abantu abaliko obulemu, mmwe abakwatibwako kubanga obubbi bwe butta ensi eno yemmwe bubagwa ku mugongo. Muli ludda wa? Abakiikirira abantu abaliko obulema, abantu abakiikirira mmwe bajenero ne Chepe n'ennyota zammwe ne medulo ku kifuba, mwe abazira, mwenaanika emidaali gy'abazira, obuzira olwaleero buli ludda wa? Munaatuula ku ntebe zaffe muzimenye? Muli ludda wa? Bamemba ba cabinet muli ludda wa? Ku ggwanga ono mujje awo bonna mu ssaawa eno. Naye njagala okutwala omukisa guno okwebaza ekitundu ekya West Nile. West Nile mutukoze bulungi, bemobilize bulungi bonna. Central mutuwadde emikono nga bakulembeddwa Mubende district. Mubende district ye district ababaka bonna emikono bagireese ne bagituwa. Mwebale. Twebaza Teso Teso yeroya lwa Munyindo naye erese emikono 7 wano. Naye muri mu district ezimanyiddwa, district ezaffe ezedda ezimanyiddwa. District nga Busia oli luddawa? District Busia oli luddawa? District Kamuli oli luddawa? Oba bibayita ku nviiri kubanga abamu mbalengerako wano. Kamuli muli luddawa mwe abakulemberanga ebyobufuzi by'eggwanga? Busoga tusiima Honorable Taylor John, tusiima Honorable Margaret Makoha, ne tusiima ne Honorable Muzaale ow'Ebuzaaya, bwe butyo buti ne Honorable Matuwa ow'Ejjinja. Obuti buli buna mwabalala muli luddawa? Tusiima ne Honorable Namuganza eyakulembera Busoga. Abasoga mwena mwandibadde mubinuka masejjere ne mujja wano. Honorable Namuganza tukwebaza. Ba ministers muli luddawa? Naye tutunidde ne district endala. District nga Kyegeegwa muli luddawa? Kyenjojo muli luddawa? Kabalole Honorable Kagwera yokka yazze muli luddawa? Masindi twalabyeyo Honorable ow'Ebujenje ne Masindi municipality. Dancing Queen oli luddawa? Azina n'ekiwato ne kyekweya ku ttaka. Muli luddawa? Hoima muli luddawa mwe abaakafuna ekisaawe mumbulize nti batuwadde ekisaawe n'oli kye tulisayiningi. Twebaza MP owa Hoima municipality Honorable Singoma yakutta akati ka Hoima. Naye Hoima mwe bulijjo abalwana wano muyingire Parliament muli luddawa? Honorable Isingoma yeyekanga akati ka kabiriiti muli luddawa? Honorable Kasese nebaza Honorable Kambale Ferigo yazze ne banne babiri.
Honorable colleagues, allow me I guide on this one of school fees, please.
No, what was the social
So don't run out from this.
whether environment must itself in what stage whether
Are you a prostitute?
That's how I talk about it. I am not a prostitute and I will never be.
Munisirwanyi, the Honorable Afrocha Esther, Honorable Akampulira, Honorable Matthias Mpuuga. We have so far done well, and I think we are doing our best in that regard. We are happy to inform you that so far so good. Where we have reached, yes, at least we are coming to the final ends of the signature collection and gathering. Would like to thank honorable members of Parliament who have made it a point to come from the recess, to have fuel, to drive their vehicles purposely for coming to append their signatures. And today, we are grateful, being a Friday. You saw how members of Parliament made it, in spite of the fact that it is a Friday, but members made it a point to come and join the clarion call. The call is for fighting corruption. We do not want semantics. You either took the money and you took it irregularly and corruptly. Therefore, you are the subject of this motion. There is a lot of talkings. No, it was approved. No. And those are the issues we want to be addressed on the floor of Parliament. Parliament should be the last institution to run away from accountability. Should be the last institution to run away from transparency. And therefore, we are calling on honorable colleagues to be the champions. The champion to ensure that this Parliament does not condone any forms of corruption in whatever manner. It does not condone any form of self-aggrandizement. Wasteful expenditure should be fought by this Parliament. And each member, you must stand to be counted. Each member must stand to be counted. And lastly, we call upon you all who are standing on the fence. It's not enough for colleagues to stand on the table. They are busy on their phones, but their heart is here. I'll be glad at one point when Olukwe-Ababaka joins this side.
Correct.
It's not enough to be busy on the WhatsApp, to be busy on... Come, step forward, because he belongs this side. You can't be clever on these matters. You are either with the people or you are against the people. Finished. You can't say, I was there between, I was waiting. And lastly, honorable members of Parliament, when we seek for election, we always want to say, let me be the first choice of the voters. But now we are seeing, I want to sign last. I want to be the last person to come. I'll be the last, I'm coming last. My friend, we all stand to be the first. In our constituencies, we are always the first. Now why do you reach here and you want to be at the tail end of the process? That's very unfortunate. Now there are two things we want to comment about. We have learned that members of Parliament are being taken away today, this evening. Honorable Sise Namuju is leading a group of 30 members of Parliament to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, to keep them away. As we speak now, a group of MPs are in Nairobi to be kept away so that they don't come to the limelight here. 30 are flying out this evening. 30 are flying out this evening. It is a tactic meant to keep them away, but they are lying. For us, we shall not hesitate. We shall read names of members who have appended their signatures onto this historical motion. We shall not hesitate. Number two, please leave members, leave them alone. They are giving them trips that go nowhere. Trips to go to Dar es Salaam and you sleep in a hotel, you look through the window, you will be contacted on WhatsApp. What is happening there, Uganda? There is no activity going on there. But you check their passports. There is no parliamentary business in Dar es Salaam and not even in Nairobi. But they've been taken there. This is very unfortunate. And please come back. Come back from the self-imposed exile. Come back. People go to exile for political reasons, for fear of life. Imagine honorable members of Parliament running away from their country. Come back. We shall follow you there in those hotels. You must come back. The duty is here at home. So this is happening. There is no activity, there is no conference, there is nothing. But they pick their clothes. You've seen them putting on trousers, traveling trousers, so that with open shoes, and they are now flying. I've never seen this suffering. Number two, and most importantly, as we approach the end of our signature collection, we have received phone calls from our colleagues. They are up country, and it is not easy for them to have come this week and then go back and come back next week on Thursday for the State of Nation address. So they are proposing that they come over the Matters Day weekend. So we are announcing we are not closing today. We shall wait on until Tuesday. We shall allow ourselves one day more so that members can be here, and this is very understandable. So members, we have made an arrangement for you to come on Monday. On Monday, it is a public holiday. We are praying hard for this country. We are praying to the martyrs who led by example, so we shall not be on this famous desk. The desk shall reopen on Tuesday, and we shall be here from 9 up to 5, and then we wind up. Lastly, I want to thank my colleagues. The effort of collecting signatures is not on our shoulders. We are just taking the care and the lead. My colleague, Honorable Opolot from Kanyum, Honorable Kambale from Kasese Municipality, it is our pleasure, and they in their own voice address you. But as things stand, it is good to be on the right side of history. I'm proud of the members who have endured it all. I'm proud of you. We are proud of you. Let us not run away from debate, honorable members of Parliament. We are not here to condemn members unheard. They shall be heard on the floor of Parliament. Let them get their defense, which they are trying to collect, and bring it on the floor of Parliament. And there we shall find it. I thank you. I thank the general public. I thank the Fourth Estate. You lifted this matter. You lifted it. You lifted it so high that we cannot help but thank you. We thank you very much. And my colleagues,
thank you very much.
There are those areas that are so surprising. Leave alone those who have been carried away by Honorable Sise Namuju this afternoon. Imagine Sise carrying you, and you're a member of Parliament. But my message, like his, goes to, there are some specific groups who I wanted to mention. We are welcoming West Nile. West Nile have led by example. Northern Uganda, they are limping and rising, and Eastern Uganda. But there are some groups that must be mentioned. All the workers' MPs have run away. And moreover, we are talking about 1.7 billion that is money belonging to workers. But the workers, they are known for raising tantrums. But now where it comes to stealing their money, because this is not money of Parliament. Here at Parliament we have no money, I tell you. It is the taxpayers' money. A person toiling to pay tax, and none of the workers is here. Look, none of persons with disabilities who are the most vulnerable are here signing. They are not here. Our audit shows that even the elderly group, the elderly honorable members of parliament who have seen this world, who have known Uganda, the past, present and future, who ought to be mindful about the country they are leaving to another generation, they are not here. The UPDF, they did not liberate this country in vain. They come with big accolades and medals on their chest and shoulders. Where is point number 7 in the 10-point program? They are not here. The youth, some have. We want to thank them. But we have areas like Midwestern Uganda, Masindi. It is only Masindi Municipality MP. Masindi, where are you? Masindi, we have Honorable Jenje and the municipality. But now we want to come to Chenjojo. Where is Chenjojo? In our analysis, we are looking at Chaka. Where is Chaka?
Where are they?
Where is Kabarore? Kabarore is only Burashia of Honorable Kagwera. Honorable Kagwera is the one who stood out. Where is the famous districts? Where is Kisoro? Where even Honorable Sababuturo, who is the chairperson of integrity and transparency, comes from? Where Honorable Eddie Kwizera, who is very philosophical, but ends at nothing. Very philosophical, with a big voice. Where is Busia? Where is Busia? Where is Busia? Where are the cities, beginning with Kampala, the clever people? Where is Kampala in all this equation? The rest you know.
Including Busoga.
Busoga is limping. Honorable Muzare came to shoulder up the Honorable Johnny Taylor and Honorable Margaret Makoha. We are proud of them. And Busoga was the leading light in the politics of this country. Where are they? They are being clever now. We upload Teso. Teso has been able to send 6 signatures here. Teso.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
And more are coming.
Honorable Kambale has led Kasese here, and they have so far 3 out of 5. Where is Lyantonde? None. They are tall people and clever. Where is Nyabushozi in all this that represent the revolutionary Yoweri Museveni? Where are they? Where is Kazo? Fire has begotten ash, Ugandans, I'm telling you. Fire has begotten ash. And so forth and so forth. But for you who have stood up, we thank you. Thank you for standing up to the challenge. But those areas, they are there, Ugandans. Members of Parliament always want to be the first. Vote me number 1. But when it comes to responsibility, they want to be the last. What a paradox. What a contradiction. For God and my country, I thank you.
The regional was a sweet one. That regional was a sweet.
Olwaleero tutambudde bulungi wadde lunaku lwa kutaano. Mumanyi ababaka ku lunaku olwokutaano tebatera kubeera bangi, naye bw'olaba osobodde okubajjamu emikono 11, ababaka abazze emikono 11, oba otambudde bulungi. Tubadde tusuubira okuggalawo olunaku olwaleero, naye ababaka batukubidde amasimu ne batutegeeza nti nno tebayinza kujja basayininge ate baddeyo ng'ate bagenda kujja ku lunaku olw'ennamugongo nga 3 ku bbalaza. Kale ne tukiraba nga kibeera kya bwenkanya, tulinde paka ku Tuesday nga tuvudde namugongo. Tubadde tubawadde Monday, naye Monday tululeke nga lunaku lwa bikujjuko, naye ku lwokubiri tugenda kubeera wano. Tugenda kutandika ssaawa 3 tumalirize ku ssaawa 11. Ku nsonga eyo tusiima ababaka abatuwadde emikono gyammwe mwenna, abataddemu amafuta gammwe ne mujja mutuweereze emikono, tubeebazizza. Mu ngeri y'emu tusaba ababaka ba Parliament balumirirwe ensimbi z'omuwi w'omusolo akawumbi kamu miliyoni 7 kabeere akatuzukusizza okulwanyisa obukenuzi mu ggwanga. Naye kitujja enviiri ku mutwe nga ababaka abakulembeddwa ne batwalibwaho ne Bosise Namujju balinnya lweggulo lwaleero kugenda eddala Salaama, Tanzania. Ate era mu ngeri y'emu ababaka 30 ab'eddala Salaama, ate abalala bali Nairobi. Tebereza nti babakwese babajjewo wano beewambye ababaka. Kino sikirabanga. Ababaka beewambye. Bw'oba tolaba mubaka wo ayinza okuba nga y'omu ku abo abeewambye, babeereko eyo basigale ku intaneti nga bamuga. Naye ng'ekibatwazizza nti baleme kubeera wano kubanga bajja kukwatibwa ekinyegenyege basayininge recall, basayininge okujja ababaka okubajjamu obwesige ba commissioners baffe abana, Honorable Mathias Mpuuga, Honorable Afoyochan, Honorable Akampulira ne Honorable Sirwanyi. Bekwesi babakukusizza oba okiyita human trafficking oba members of parliament trafficking oba okiyisa okya sikitegeera oba intellectual trafficking, be banaatubulira nga bakomyewo. Naye tubasaba mukomewo, muveeyo mu buwaŋŋanguse gye muli. Ate tebinyuma ng'oli wala. Mwe mutugamba buli kimu nti omubaka wa Parliament yagala abe nga yakulembera. Munonde ekulembere. Ate bwe kituuse wano nti ati mundeke nga bwe mulaba wano abagezigezi. Nze nja kujja nga nsembayo. Bibigenda mu maaso. Naye njagala okubeebaza mmwe abatuwadde emikono, muli ku ludda olutuufu olw'ebyafaayo. Naye nsaba mukkirize nokoleyo obuntu nga bubiri bwokka. Mu musango guno omuloope abantu abandibadde beesulubabba bandibadde abatakwatibwako ensonga, naye ate abo bennyini abatambulirwako ensonga nga ba MP abakiikirira abakozi, where are you? Abakozi basaana okuluma ensimbi zaabwe kubanga zo si nsimbi za Parliament, kubanga Parliament terina ssente zaayo, ezo ssente z'omuwi w'omusolo. Naye abakozi bonna bakoze olukwe beekweke wansi w'emmeeza. Abakulira abakozi muli luddawa? Abakulira abakadde abandirowoozebwako nti ensi eno mwagiraba alaba dda, muli ku mulyango mufuluma ensi. ebinene n'ebitono mubirabye, obutabanguko n'obulyake n'obubbi mubirabye. Muli luddawa? Bakinvinvi muli luddawa? Ng'ate mujja ne musasula no mu Parliament. Bali mu kamooli balengera. Muli luddawa? Abantu abakiikirira, ababaka abakiikirira abantu abaliko obulemu, mmwe abakwatibwako kubanga obubbi bwe butta ensi eno yemmwe bubagwa ku mugongo. Muli luddawa? Abakiikirira abantu abaliko obulema, abantu abakiikirira mmwe bajenero ne chepe n'ennyota zammwe ne medulo ku kifuba, mwe abazira, mwenaanika emidaali gy'abazira. Obuzira olwaleero buli luddawa? Munaatuula ku ntebe zaffe muzimenye? Muli luddawa? Bamemba ba kabineti muli luddawa? Ku ggwanga ono mujje. Awo bonna bonna mu ssaawa eno. Naye njagala okutwala omukisa guno okwebaza ekitundu ekya West Nile. West Nile mutukoze bulungi, bemobilize bulungi bonna. Central mutuwadde emikono nga bakulembeddwa Mubende district. Mubende district ye district ababaka bonna emikono bagireese ne bagituwa. Mwebale. Twebaza Teso yeroya lwa Munyindo naye ereese emikono 7 wano. Naye muli mu district ezimanyiddwa, district ezaffe ezedda ezimanyiddwa. District nga Busia oli luddawa? District Busia oli luddawa? District Kamuli oli luddawa? Oba bibayita ku nviiri kubanga abamu mbalengerako wano. Kamuli muli luddawa mmwe abakulemberanga ebyobufuzi by'eggwanga? Busoga tusiima Honorable Taylor John, tusiima Honorable Margaret Makoha, ne tusiima ne Honorable Muzaale ow'ebuzaaya, bwe butyo buti ne Honorable Matuwa ow'ejjinja. Obuti buli buna. Mmwe abalala muli luddawa? Tusiima ne Honorable Namuganza eyakulembera Busoga. Abasoga mwenna mwandibadde mubinuka masejjere ne mujja wano. Honorable Namuganza tukwebaza. Ba ministers muli luddawa? Naye tutunidde ne district endala, district nga Kyegeegwa muli luddawa? Kyenjojo muli luddawa? Kabalole Honorable Kagwera yokka yazze muli luddawa? Masindi twalabyeyo Honorable ow'Ebujenje ne Masindi municipality. Dancing Queen oli luddawa? Azina n'ekiwato ne kyekweya ku ttaka. Muli luddawa? Hoima muli luddawa mmwe abaakafuna ekisaawe mumpulize nti batuwadde ekisaawe n'oli kye tulisayiningi. Twebaza MP owa Hoima municipality Honorable Singoma yakutta akati ka Hoima. Naye Hoima mmwe buli gy'abalwana wano muyingire Parliament muli luddawa? Honorable Isingoma yeyekanga akati ka kabiriiti muli luddawa? Honorable Kasese nebaza Honorable Kambale Ferigo yazze ne banne babiri. Nebaza mu abantu mwenna naye lyantondo oliwa? Bugisu basituka bagwa naye tujja kuboogerako. Naye Kazo n'ekiruhura eva omununuzi w'eggwanga mu aba NRM Honorable Tayewa yekka. ow'e Kasongi yavuddeyo abange omuliro guzadde vvu. Kiruhura ne Kazo muli luddawa, Ibanda muli luddawa.
Njagala kwebaza mikwano gyange bano era babaka bannange olwa kuvaayo n'eddoboozi lino, era nange mbadde ku mirimu gyange ndi musawo nenziruseeyo misinde nzije nsayininge, era nasubiddwa nnyo eggulo nga leader of opposition asayininga, naye nange nzize nsayininge kubanga abantu eyo batulaba batwesiga ne batuteekamu obwesige nga tulina kubeera kyakulabirako, era kyova olaba n'abawa omusolo batandise okwekaanya kuba saavisi tebaziraba, eddwaliro teriddagala, enguudo mbi nnyo, kyokka ate abantu bafuna ssente ez'obwereere ze batakoleredde. N'olwekyo ffe ng'ababaka tulina kubeera kyakulabirako nti tulina okulwanyisa enguzi. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala lwa Katonda n'ensi yange.
Omubaka avudde mu sweta.
All the way from the
Avudde mu
hospital.
sweta from the theatre.
Yes.
Can you imagine? He demanded that he comes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Olo.
You're welcome.
Yeah. All the way from the hospital.
From the theatre.
That one must appear. Yes. From the hospital.
N'abadde abayimiridde mu kino ekintu okulaba nti n'ensonga etuuka ku fulo ya Parliament neyogerwako ne bakomishonazi baffe baveeyo banyonyole eggwanga nga bayitiramu ffe ba members ba Parliament engeri gye babadde ba administeringa Parliament. So baweereddwa omukisa, tusaba nti emikono giwere ekino ekiteeso kiteekebwe ku order paper ya Parliament, aba commissioners bajje beyogereko naffe batu addressinga ku n'ensonga endala zonna ezikwata ku kutukanya kwa Parliament. Era olw'abantu b'e Bugwe Central Busia district njagala kweyanza Honorable Sekikubo n'abanne okuleeta kino ekiteeso kiyambe ffe nga Parliament n'eggwanga lyonna. Manya Dennis Nyangweso Njikira Samia Bugwe Central Busia district.
Corruption is an enemy. Corruption is one kind of terrorism that Uganda must not tolerate, because corruption diverts resources from areas that the public requires most and diverts it to the pockets of a few individuals. So our determination to clean the commission from such is what has brought about this motion. It is about right and wrong. So when you see a name, a signature appended in this list for this motion, you will know that one is standing for the right side. Those who are trying to dodge, they are on the wrong side. You can say good and evil. This is what Jesus talked about in the book of Matthew, chapter 10, from verse 31. Say, I have come not to bring peace, but I have come with the sword to see those who are my followers, to divide a father from the son, a mother from the father, so that those who are of my side shall come and carry the cross with me. So we must be seen to walk the talk. If we say we are zero tolerant to corruption as a policy of government, then as members of Parliament we must be seen walking that talk, that we seriously do not tolerate any sort of corruption. Now, if members of Parliament is true that they are being taken away, if it's true, it is, and confirmed, that is very pathetic. What if you go there and something happens? How will you account? Lord forbid. If something happens along the way. Anyway, me as a guardian, I don't want normally to say it, because if I say anything wrong to happen, it will happen. So may the Lord bring them back. But some of them called me and said, please extend the deadline. We are coming back to sign. We are first enjoying this for a short time, but we shall come back to sign. So I welcome them to sign, and I thank you so much for today.
My name is Kampale Feriko. I'm the Member of Parliament representing people of Kasese Municipality. I'm here to support that we should sign this session document for one strong reason. One of our mandate as Parliament is to offer oversight role. And that's why we have accountability committees in Parliament. We hear of Public Accounts Committee, COSASE, Public Accounts Committee, local government, Public Accounts Committee, central government. We are always mandated to examine the Auditor General's reports so that we offer oversight role on behalf of the people of Uganda. So we can't keep offering oversight role on other institutions and we leave the institution of Parliament. That wouldn't be right. So we have to walk the talk. That's why we are saying we have to request all our members, all our colleagues, come and sign. When we are fighting corruption, we should not fight corruption by leaving other people free and now we tackle other people. That's not right. Therefore, all colleagues, members who have not signed, please come and join us so that we play our role, our mandate of offering oversight to all everybody that touches money, public funds. That's when we shall be trusted, and that's when Ugandans will know we are serious with what we are supposed to do in Parliament. Whenever we interface with people and we are doing oversight by examining Auditor General's report, cameras always on us, we are there tasking people to account. So we can't keep tasking other people to account and we leave the institution of Parliament not to account. That's not proper. So all accountability committee members, I would expect that all of them should be the first people even to sign. I want to see members of PAC here, Central, members of PAC, COSASE, members of PAC, local government. That's why we are here, to offer accountability, to ensure there is accountability of public funds. Henceforth, let our people also account. And they can only account through this signing of this document. They will come to Parliament and defend themselves. Yes. How they give themselves those huge figures without us being aware, without our approval, without our role of appropriation. I thank you all.
Probably one last one. I want
the Honorable Sejikubo. This is a very important motion, very, very important to cleanse our Parliament for accountability. But there is something that I would want to put that maybe moving forward we add in this motion, and that is one, the nature in which we elect or in which we appoint our commissioners. Yes. The law is very clear when you look at in our rules of procedure of Parliament, when you look at Rule 11, subsection 4, it says nomination of the candidates for election to the commission of the 4 members of Parliament referred to in Rule 1 shall be made by the government and the opposition sides. When you go to 6, it says the 4 members referred to in Sub-Rule 1F shall hold office for 2.5 years. and shall be eligible for a re-election. So even if we make this session to go through and then we don't cure this problem, we are going to have the same problem. So in the interest of togetherness, in the interest of our accountability, and I want to say that you add this as one of the conditions me to sign this. Let us add this in our in the motion that going forward, maybe after now, going forward, that our commissioners will be elected to office by members of parliament, not to be appointed as guided in Rule 11 of our rules of procedure. And then also number 2, if I'd been consulted early, I was going to advise that we overhaul the whole commission so that we bring a full comprehensive motion to overhaul the whole commission so that all the 9 members of the commission are accountable, not necessarily only the 4.
Uganda Eyenkya.